Master Los. How to do a lineup. First, start at the person's back of the head. Right to left. Oh yeah, make sure you click that like button. And also, subscribe. Right to left. Even lines, sharp lines. Keep them sharp. And there you go. Something like that, square. Get around the ears. No rush. Just patience. Do the same for both sides. Go. Once you finish that, you start at the front of the head, comb it into place, and start in the middle of the head, and begin placing your lines. Right angles. Make sure you get those corners right. Then you do the same to the opposite side. Don't start your arches yet. Focus on that line, the top line. Pretty sharp. No enhancements, just a simple line. Go back over and check that line. Get it very precise. Angles 90 degrees, and then give it a little razor work. Then give it a little razor work. Give it some razor work. Just give it some razor work. Make sure you click like, make sure you subscribe, follow me on at Fade Master Los on every social media site. Let's get it. Go.